That guy's right. Didn't happen. Didn't happen. I saw a TV show once where somebody did that and somebody actually shot the guy. So I was thinking a big chance there that there would be somebody with a gun in the audience shooting. Oh, that's right. I would say that in America. I'll be careful not to use that line in America. Yeah.
Hi. You mentioned something about nothing in your presentation.
Yeah.
I see nothing as a purely relational quality. I have keys in my pocket right now, but if I don't have keys in my pocket, I have nothing in my pocket.
Mm-hmm.
So the concept nothing doesn't refer to a metaphysical existence. It actually is just nothing. There's just nothing there. It's purely relational. It's not a metaphysical.
Well, yeah. This is an issue that comes up all the time. The definition of nothing, and so it's a problem because, as you have with all of these things, you have to deal with words. But let me just say that we can talk about nothing physically. Someone says you can't write an equation down for nothing. Well, you can. You could write a wave function down that describes nothing. A wave function is just a mathematical thing, but we can write it down. And let me tell you how this works. Suppose you imagine an electromagnetic field. And we know that an electromagnetic field is made up of photons, particles. And when you take the equations for the electromagnetic field and you quantize them, you make them quantum mechanical, you get what's called a harmonic oscillator equations, just mathematically. It doesn't mean it's a harmonic oscillator. So you get these, and what the solutions of a harmonic oscillator you can calculate. They're one of the oldest problems in quantum mechanics, and it's a series of equally spaced energy levels. And then you have this mathematical procedure where you take the wave function at this energy level and you apply what's called the annihilation operator. And the annihilation operator takes you down one level. And every time you go down one level, you remove one photon from the field. You keep going down until you have no photons left. That's nothing. I don't know what else. And yet you still have a way to describe it. And this is all I mean. When I say nothing, I mean the situation that you have when you take some region of space and you remove all the matter from it. And I don't know how else to describe it. Now it's true that some metaphysical nothing, it would be hard to explain, but so would metaphysical something way you can find the person guilty is by the prosecutor proving him guilty. You'd never find anybody guilty because you have to have 100% certainty in that case. So that's why they use the term beyond a reasonable doubt. And I think, and that's what you have to keep in mind what I'm doing here. I'm saying you look at all the sum total of these arguments, and then you conclude, what do you conclude beyond a reasonable doubt? Maybe one of them is not very good, maybe